Hello friends, in this video I will show how to disable lock screen ads and tips in Windows 11 or 10. So to resolve this problem, click on Start. Now here click on Settings. Now here click on Personalization. Here guys, click on Lock Screen. And now here click on Lock Screen, and here guys you will see the option Get Fun Tips and Tricks on your lock screen. So just unselect that option. I have some error, so I'm not able to show you that feature. So here guys you will see that feature, so just unselect it, then exit. So this way you can disable lock screen ads and tips in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.